Hey guys, First and Weather back here again. This is going to be a quick update about the short-term forecast. This is the GFS model, and as you can see, there's not really any significant chance of precipitation as we head into the next couple of days and the next few days. Actually, the next biggest chance of precipitation is actually Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Saturday and Sunday are going to have relatively small chances of precipitation, 20%, 30%, scattered thunderstorms. Some areas will get rain, some areas won't. You know the deal. Mainly pop-up thunderstorms here and there. I'm going to switch quickly to the latest storm track for tropical depression, now Emily. It was a tropical storm actually before making landfall in Florida, where it weakened significantly as expected. It's been going on this northeasterly track, and it's expected to go in that direction and not impact the southeast directly. However, it could kick up some surf down here. We could see some rip current risks and just basically higher waves than normal. But going back to topic, if we go back to tropical tidbits, if we take this through, we can see that the biggest chance of rain is really Monday. That's the thing we're looking for. And if we do get rain on Monday, that would be very beneficial, because right now we've been experiencing a large dry spell, and we really do need the rain. The National Weather Service has in fact issued abnormally dry conditions in their drought monitor for our area. So that is really something we need. We need a good sized weather system to come in here, give us a few thunderstorms. That would be great. If we switch now to the GFS total accumulated precipitation until 0Z Wednesday, you can see it's predicting about 3/4 of an inch, some spots. That would be very useful. We need all the rain we can get, and this is up until next Wednesday. So the next 10 days, 7 days, excuse me, we should hopefully see an inch of rain at least. That would really help us a lot. And so I'm going to switch to the NAM model now and go tighter in. The NAM model really gives us a better idea of where those storms will be. And the NAM model only takes us until 3 days out. Friday, 6Z, August 4th. And as you can see, it has light precipitation amounts in the Blue Ridge and the western parts of the state and the northwestern parts of the state. So the thing to get from this is that the main precipitation and storm chances for the next 3 days will be in northwestern Virginia. I think central Virginia should stay mostly dry. Some areas might see a pop-up thunderstorm here or there for the next 3 days, but I feel like those chances are relatively low. The real next big chance of rain for our area is again Monday, where we could see some pretty good thunderstorms actually. If we switch to the, If we switch to the temperature forecast for the NAM model, generally I feel like this week won't be too extreme. The humidity won't be that high. If we go to COD meteorology models, we can see that the dew point is not really that bad. Dew point's in the 60s. It's humid, but it could definitely be worse. This on 9Z Thursday, we have dew point levels in the upper 60s, mid 60s. Really could be worse. Dew point levels aren't going to be that bad. However, I do want to let you guys know that each day that goes by, the dew point level is going to go a little bit higher. So I want you guys to be ready for that. And then you can see that when that weak cold front comes through Saturday, we get some really nice relatively dry air with dew points in the 50s. So I feel like Sunday, if it doesn't rain, it should really be a nice day. If we switch to the high temperature forecast, it will be hot. High temperatures in the low. Oh, this is Tuesday, my bad. If we go back to Sunday, we can see that high temperatures will still be in the low 90s. So it will be a warm day, but the low humidity will really make it feel like an amazing day out there. I think that Sunday is the good day to go out. And speaking of that, I feel like this weekend is really going to be on the cool side, especially Saturday. We'll have high temperatures in the low 80s to mid 80s. And this could change, but as of now, I feel like this NAM model is overplaying the heat a little bit. I feel like the high temperatures will not be this hot. I feel like they'll be in the mid 80s. Now if we go back to tropical tidbits, we can see that for the next few days won't have anything that extreme. For some reason my dragger thing isn't working. get back to that. Okay, now it's working. So again, Wednesday, high temperatures in the low 90s, upper 80s. Pretty nice day, partly sunny skies. Not bad. Go outside, do what you want to do. Low temperatures overnight will fall into the mid 70s. So again, pretty muggy, but won't be. It could definitely be more humid. And now I want to switch to the temperature anomalies. I've been noticing something interesting. If I go back to the GFS model and go to the temperature anomalies, you can see that the GFS is really suggesting below average temperatures in the central United States especially, and also portions of the eastern United States for the next 2 weeks or so. And the National Weather Service also agrees with this. If you look at their 6 to 10 day outlook, you can see that they're predicting a high probability of below average temperatures, 90% probabilities of below average temperatures in some spots, which is really just very rare to have this type of certainty in the National Weather Service's forecast. Usually it's 30-40% certainty. So it is fairly certain that the central United States is going to see well below average temperatures to below average temperatures for the next week or so, while the eastern and western portions of the country should see average to slightly above average conditions, while the northwestern part has a good chance of seeing above average temperatures. If we switch to precipitation, I do have good news for our area. For the next 6 to 10 days and 8 to 14 days, there are relatively high probabilities of seeing above average precipitation, so that is some good news. We really do need the rain. And so, summary for this video is expect conditions near average for the next few days. Our next big storm chance will be Monday. We have isolated storm chances on Saturday and Sunday. And for the next 2 weeks or so, I really don't expect any massive heat waves, any abnormally warm weather. I feel like temperatures will be slightly below average to right around average. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you next time.